song I wish to bring before the common ear of all folk, and if they deign to hear my cry and understand it and know how to part and ply. Each one may draw the good from the ill and clear, for covetousness has so seized the world in brief, that right runs not, nor they fear God to my grief. Nor does one find mercy there, nor pity's grace, nor shame among the greater part of the human race. King and count, bailiff and seneschal wish to seize the castles and the lands in fee by their own accord, and the poor folk utterly destroy. And the barons, the most, are the same in all, for each one says, I will take my own from this, quoth he, and with it all they are poorer than a pilgrim, you see. And they hold not truth nor oath in any case, and the rest of us are of that very same mind and face. The clergy wish all here in equal measures claim, with greed to shoe and clothe their limbs in fair array. And the great prelates wish so far to push their way, that without reason they stretch out their demands domain. And if you hold of them an honored fief in fee, they will want the wealth and you will not get it back lightly, unless you give them a sum of silver for their grace, or make them a straighter covenant in its place. If black monks God wills, they shall be saved and whole, through eating too much and through keeping women's ways. And white monks through lies and the frauds their order sways, and by pride the temple and the hospital unscroll. The cannons by lending at a usurious pace, I hold St. Peter and St. Andrew for fools in this case, who suffered for God such a great torment's trace, if these come thus to salvation in God's own place. If chaplains through drinking too much wine from the bowl, and lawyers through upholding wrong in every case, and innkeepers through betraying their guest's own face, and hired men through falsing their day's work and toll, and governors and bailiffs and messengers in their race, robbing the folk save their souls, I in my place. Do not believe that the lesser folk do not reign in folly's chase, and those who stand confessed and penitent in disgrace. Regraders, workmen and craftsmen of the town will go with God if he will grant them such a grace. With selling dear and with lying pledges they embrace, and money changers and doorkeepers of renown, and money lenders even as the Jews in the marketplace, and shepherds stealing what men entrust to their good faith, farmers lying about the rents of the land's face, working on feast days and believing charms in their race. To every folk I will give a loyal counsel's trace, though I know not to keep it for my own use in case, that each one should will to speak into the good apace, according to his power, for no better cherishes grace. Shall we carry written in a brief small space, when we go hence and render a heavy account to face, for all our deeds on the day of judgment's place, to the frank Lord who formed us from nothing's base. Let none reprove my song, it grieves me not at all. If I bid men do good, though little of it I do, and from a fool, a man may learn some grace.